Here's Jonathan, and he's going to show us exactly how much dust the bug duster can put down. This is the unit without the control tip in, and as you can see, we're laying down a lot of dust in a very short period of time. Still very controlled, but for large areas, for getting a large area done quickly, this will accomplish that very fast. And now we're going to put in our brass tip, which narrows the stream into a more controlled, lower volume, more controlled stream. And we're going to show you how that works. And as you can see with the tip in, less dust coming out, so if you're in a tighter spot or need a little more control, the brass tip applicator will narrow that stream down and give you a more focused spray or pattern. And there you have it. Thank you, Jonathan.